channel, and we're going to finish with The Sims 4 Farm Life plus Pets part 11. And she is making herself some breakfast. As you see, some food, and little Kate here is awake and very, very hungry. But because she still can't go downstairs and everybody else is like kind of busy, so the cool thing is that from the adults, adventure, you can just drag food to the baby. But don't forget to ring the bell and subscribe so you can, see more and everything and be updated. Thank you. And after she ate all the food, we're buying for her nice, cute stories for toddlers, of course. And after that, she's playing with her baby kitty. Of course, she can't read the books yet. An adult have to, read it for her. And here I am knitting for her a little baby hat. It's my first time here using this, and I want to make a present for my friend's daughter, Kate. So, yeah. And here everybody's busy taking care of, their family. As here, let's give you a bath, sweetie. Well, I will take a nap, and my friend Penny is, of course, washing the dog. And also we have horses to take care of. We're giving them food. I love this white one. It's so pretty. And this mama cat just keep on disappearing. So we just really have to watch her. And it turned out because she was really sick and we're not watching her that much, we're too busy. So finally, my friend Penny took her to the vet and they took care of her. And we chose expensive treatment. And now she's okay, as you see. And I'm so happy for her. So you, kitty, you stay home. No more running away. And now it's time for Penny to go on a ride on the bike. And let's go look around here, this neighborhood. Penny never saw around here that much. I mean, she did actually in the beginning. Well, it's her first time going on the bike and going to see the country. Me, myself, I love to go on bikes. When I was in America, I used to go to work from a bike. It was so much fun to see all the nature and the green. So it was the same as here. Penny is going around the beach. As you see, the beach is so close to her. And she also saw her old house. So that was something nice. And Cat here was scratching the sofa. And now, my friend, it's time to have some friends time. And we're going to eat from this pot here. This is our first time trying it. And the food was so delicious. I'm really happy, my friend, that I got to stay with you, next door. And baby here is going to have a lot of beans to eat. Because, it's easy to feed her. She can just eat a lot and she'll be okay. Yeah. And all the dogs and animals came here to sleep. What's going on? Oh no. My friend. She died. The cat lady. I died. And Penny is like out of it. Well, basically she's a cat lady. And the whole family were just so sad. Even the pets were sad, and the baby was sad. The cat lady has died in the pool, you guys. Oh my God. Now we have this big house just for Penny and her husband and all these cats and animals she has to take care of. Baby's also so sad and tired. She couldn't sleep and she just kept waking up and sleeping on the floor sometimes. And now all her stuff from the inventory has moved into the house inventory, which I had to keep all these cute pictures, and also there's a lot of feathers she had. And I just found this out, that we can actually hang the feathers of each bird. I guess the cat has been collecting feathers, so then they become in your inventory, and you can hang them up on the wall. That's something new I've just found out, which is so cool. So now we're almost finished with all the cat lady's things from the inventory, and a lot of it we kept and a lot of it we sold. So yeah, now we're gonna collect all these things, put them in our inventory so we can, still use them, and a lot of things we kept to remember her. I'm just so tense, and well, Penny, not me, I'm sorry, Penny, my friend. And as you see, that's the egg from her too. She's shining, a shining egg. And thankfully we have a helper right here that's helping in cleaning our dishes and things and keeping our house tidy. And little baby Kate here is trying to play with some of these toys, but she couldn't, because I guess she has to have like special skills leveled up. So yeah, baby. So I had to move some things and let her just keep playing with the toys that she can till her levels scale up. And luckily she has so many toys in that toy box. Huh, Kate? So you'll be okay, sweetie. And as you see, everybody's uncomfortable. And also, this maid here got fire. He caught on fire while he was doing the laundry. And luckily, his husband was there to save him. And he's okay now. And yes, we bought a new one. And eventually Penny had to, well, now you're too late to go on, you sprinklers. Too late. You already turned it off. And now you can go, and thank you for your work, but you burned a house, so you're fired, man. But I did give you a tip and say sorry for all your burns, and you can go get better. But we need somebody professional. We can't have fires in our house. And of course, we had to take out Kate outside the house. During the fire, they take the babies out. And they just left her go walking inside the house all by herself. Well, she's sure growing, isn't she? At least she can go on stairs now. So that's good to know. And then she is going on her slide for the first time. As you see, she's very, very sad. So I tried my best to cheer her up and let her play on the slide. But I did it a couple times and she still was very sad, you guys. They really love the cat lady. I call her the cat lady, so. And then she just slept on the floor. And realized that she was sleeping on the floor and was so angry because we were just so sad. And she's playing with the plant. As you see now, they can play with plants, but basically she's making a mess or something. Yeah, Kate, you go lay down on the couch for a little while, and now your mommy's coming next to you. Don't worry, sweetie, we are just sad family today. We lost our friend. We had a big fire. So it's a really tough day. You go back to sleep, sweetie, just for a little while. And Cat again ran away somewhere. Well, luckily we just, keep bringing her back somehow. And Kate's going on the slide again, hoping she might be a little bit happy. But nope, she's not. And the house is kind of a mess. There's cat hair everywhere. And a lot of laundry we have to do. As you see, our maid is gone. So Penny's husband is doing all the laundry now, while her friend is kind of handling her friend lost and making them food. Thank you, sweetie, for helping out with the laundry. Come on, Kate, come eat some food. You can't reach it? Okay, I'll put it on the floor. Now you can reach it, Kate. I'm like, why? Why they can't reach it from the table? It's a really low table. Well, my friends, now, as you see, it's a kind of a sad day today for these family. Hopefully the next video will be better and have, kind of a little bit cheering up. It was a sad day for her friend. I did not think we were going to lose this woman. I had different plans. But as you see, sometimes our plans have changed, You just have to deal with it and make new ones. So please like and subscribe and share. Don't forget to see the next. Bye-bye.